guys, and welcome to another video. I finally fixed my stupid microphone. And yeah, I have a whole lot of new stuff. And today we are doing more Pet Simulator. I went and bought to the moon. Don't leave. I went and bought the moon, and guys, spare. LOL. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back on the servers. Oh. Well, yeah. No. We're not in space. I was meant to be in space. I don't care. Guys, I'm going to go and see. What egg should I think I'm gonna go tier 7 or 50,000. Yeah, we're gonna do 50,000 and see if we can make a gold 50,000. Come on. A lava turtle. Hey, I can make Bernie. Well, I call him that. I haven't actually renamed him that yet. How am I getting all the lava ones? Yes! Imagine if I got like that diamond ninja thing. I got another Zappy! Guys, oh! An electric ghost. So is this like a Zappy's cousins? Oh, good. Now I think I need like 10 normal, 10, 5. We're just gonna stop here and I will check how many. Okay, to make gold, I need 10. I'm gonna actually go for this one. I could try for Zappy. No. I tell these people no all the time. I will not trade. Oops. Cancel. Wait, is he just giving me free stuff? Okay, so he wasn't giving me free stuff and I have no idea what I just got. Lava zebra? Wait, do da do da do da do bum ba na 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 na. Sorry guys, I'm an Undertale fan now. Okay, guys, I'll be right back when I have enough gold. Guys, it's been about like 10 minutes and I'm still trying to get a golden electric slime. Come on, electric slimes. What is so wrong? Oh, I just sold all those. I just like got rid of all my electric ghosts. No! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I think I'm more likely to get a lava million. No. So I'm getting all basic. Imagine if electric ghosts. I'm getting all of them except. And I have to clean my inventory. Yes. give up on all of the pets. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 on each. Okay. Let's go. Yep. Keep buying and buying. Sorry, I'm trying to. Actually, I might go for the others if it keeps going like this. Don't. Yeah, I'm gonna go for the others now. I'm never gonna get water. What? Of course. No. We're not doing electric slimes. We're not doing those bases. We just want. We're not doing that. Right. Yeah, we are. Actually, I think we might just. Nah, just gonna give up on them all. Probably have no. Like, I'm about to run out of space. Oh my god, think of it. Wait, do I have enough? I don't want to do electric. 1, 6. I need one more electric slime, but I. Do you think our luck of getting an electric slime? Guys. Oh my god. Zappy is about to go gold. Zappy. Oh my god. Also. Shit. Actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, 6, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I think we're done with this. So yeah, I think I've got a lot of time. I'll see you back on the moon. Guys, sorry, it's too late. I didn't want to go to the moon and I didn't want this video to take too long. I gave up on the moon. So I failed that. Sorry, I'll be right back. Sorry guys, I had to do it. I really